and activate Optus Prepaid SIM cards. Here's what you want to do. You want to open up a browser on your phone and then search for Activate Optus Prepaid SIM. Click on the first link that pops up right here. Make sure you are on the official website, and it's going to show you what you need. You'll need to be at least 14 or older, a valid ID, your new Optus Prepaid SIM, and a 4G or 5G compatible device. If you click on Get Started here, it's going to ask us to enter the SIM number found inside your SIM card pack. It's going to look like this. And also you will need to enter your SIM number or validate your SIM. Once you have done this, it's going to take a few more steps to actually complete it. It is going to make you select a plan, then your mobile number, ID and contact details. It's basically going to make you verify your ID, and then review and payment is just going to make you review of your details and then verify your SIM card activation. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.